Hello everybody, welcome to Let's Learn. I'm your Excel instructor. Guys, today we will be learning about how to automate through advanced filter. Guys, for example, if in a drop down we provide some country name, how you can automate that, like once we select that country, the data should come here. For example, let me just make the country list. All right. So guys, understand in this session how to, automate on the basis of advanced filter, and we will record the macro, and then you can understand how easily automation can be done with the mere recording. Let's get started, guys. So you know that we have to find out the unique country list. How you can find out the unique country list? Very simple. Go to data and go to advanced filter. All right, now you see that this is what we have selected here, and copy to another location. Criteria is nothing, and then unique to. So you know that copy to where you want a unique item to be copied. So you can see we have selected country here, so you can just put this. You can see all the things are coming. Guys, it is wrong actually, right? Now if you just control Z, or maybe you just remove everything. Alt EAA is a shortcut key to remove everything. Again you go to advanced filter, copy to another location. You are selecting this entire range. You have to select the unique the data which you want as a unique records. So now you actually can select where you want unique items to be parked. So you can see unique item are extracted. All right, let me just do Control X, and let me put somewhere else in the next tab called sheet 2, and let me make a range name, or maybe you can select entire thing, or Control F3. Okay, so here you can write new, and maybe country list, list country list, l list country list, and then this is what. So this kind of name range can easily be used anywhere. So now if you select United States, if you select something else, should come like that. So guys, there are two things. We have made it a name range, or maybe we can actually select, go to developer, go to insert, we can actually select something here also. So let me just explore, go to form control, and select either. You have to explore, guys, combo box, or maybe this. You can actually select that button. This is actually not working. So let's explore. We have to find out something where we have to understand. Either we select the combo box. Okay, you can select the combo box, guys. So what is happening in the combo box, that you will understand. Let me make it smaller. Okay, so guys, what is happening in this combo box, we have actually no value. But if you go to format control, or maybe you can see input range. Input range, you select this input range. Okay, and cell link, you can give this cell link. All right, so guys, what is happening, if you go there, you can actually see that all the options are coming. But now you have to have the country which you can actually refer to, whatever you are selecting. So what you can do here, you can actually use index function, and the name range which we have built, you can select, press F3. This is the country list we have built, and now you can give this. So let's see which country you are getting now. Germany. So Australia. And if you select Canada, nothing is happening, guys. What is happening, if you select this range, country is really selecting from A1. So now you come here, so you can just do -1, guys. Okay, so now if you just do United States, United States is coming. If you see New Zealand, now guys, nothing is working. You know what is happening here in this scenario? What is the problem, guys? You can say Germany, and we have done -1. Let's see +1, and see that is it coming correct, right? If you see Germany, Germany is coming. United States, why we are doing +1? Because if you see United States is 1 and United Kingdom is 2. All right, if you see this entire list which is coming from country, so now that's why we are adding 1. So either you can actually go to Control F3. Okay, And in the country list, you can select the country from A2 and now close that. So what is happening here? You don't need to add or subtract anything. So now if you just go to Australia, Australia is coming. So the as it is syntax or as it is index number you have given in that. So what you can do, you can actually make the paint white so that you will not come to know our country is located in L2 cell. Okay, then now you can just put this data this way, and whatever you are selecting, the data should actually come here. All right, but actually now the problem is that if you are selecting Canada, Canada data should come. You select New Zealand, New Zealand data should come here. So how you can do that activity? So now you go to data advanced. So in the advanced, you have to select entire range. So now let me make this a range first so that it will be easy for you to connect. So this is actually the range RNG or maybe DATARNG data range. Why I'm doing that? So that it will be easy for us to connect. And now if you go to advanced and you just go to press F3. So data range is the range. You can just see that, and of course copy to another location. That option we have to select. Okay, and now you can just remove this copy to. Let me go back there and criteria range. Guys, understand, if you have to select the criteria, you have to have control C, and guys you can actually put somewhere here. All right, the criteria and the country you can actually put that. Either you can do one more thing, uh, that T1. So guys, whatever country you're putting over there in terms of formula, you can actually control X, you can put that. All right, so now you see that Germany is coming. Okay, and I hope guys it is clear. And now this is actually the range which is my criteria. Let me just Alt HBA border that. And now what you can do, if you see United Kingdom is getting changed here. So you again go to data advanced. Now what you can do, press F3. This is the data range. All right, and now remove this because this is the criteria. And what you can do, you have to go to data tab and criteria range. You have to select the entire thing. Okay, and where you want data to be pasted, maybe let me put here. So this is actually how it will work. All right, now I'm removing everything and let's record this macro and see how does it work. Go to developer and go to record macro and name that ABC1. You can give the name as whatever you feel like. Now go to data advanced filter. Since you have all the things selected already, and this is the criteria and this is the location where you want your data to be parked, you can see that, and you can go to developer, you can stop the recording. And all right, and now this is actually the code which actually is recorded. Very simple line of code. We have not done anything, we have just recorded. Okay, now if you select Australia, nothing is happening. All right, but we have to run the code also. What you can do, guys, you can actually see ABC1. You right click this, assign macro ABC1. Okay, and now if you select this United Kingdom is coming. If you select Australia, Australia is coming, guys. Okay, and you can just make this the white font and remove the border. No border, nobody will come to know what is written here. So this is amazing automation which actually we have recorded. And now if you select Canada, Canada data is reflecting, it is filtering the data, guys. If you select France, it is filtering the France data. If you select Germany, it is Germany data. How easy is that? So guys, such kind of things can easily be put into the dashboard where you can impress your boss, impress your team member. You have not done anything and you have not done any coding also, but here you have actually used the range which is actually hard code. All right, so that actually you have to make the range, and then you have to rather than putting this range, you have to make it hard code range. Sorry, you have to make dynamic range. which you can make it, that we have already discussed in our last videos, and this everything will be as it is. So in short, that you actually understand all these things, and I hope guys you enjoyed the session. And once again, let me run United Kingdom. Immediately United Kingdom data comes here. You don't need to, if you go to France data, guys. Okay, France data, we have how many rows? You can see we have 28 rows. If you look at Canada we have 20 rows. So you don't need to clear anything. It is coming automatically. This is the beauty of advanced filter. It is clear the prior data and then override the new data. Look at this United States. How many records we have? We have, you know we have 57 records. Now if you go, New Zealand, how many records we have? 14 records. So automatically it has cleared the old data. So this is the beauty of advanced filter. So I hope guys you found this session useful, and enjoy yourself, keep practicing, especially this code which we have not even written, just recorded. So this is the amazing example which can easily be used in the dashboard. But little bit VBA you have to use. You have to make the range dynamic, where in this code we have hard code the range. All right, so guys, this is how you can do the automation. When it comes to advanced filter, you can record the stuff and then you can do the filtering. All right, United Kingdom, you can see it is coming within just seconds. So guys, thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.